What you making there, babe?
I'm making cream cheese mashed potatoes. It's so yummy, you don't even need gravy.
See the other crushed or smashed red potatoes.
I have two other recipes out there. One of them is really yummy, it's with sour cream, and the other one is really yummy because it's with, they're peeled and then there's no skin. But these are going to be skin in.
And they are good,
but you
guys.
can only do that with a red potato. Maybe the, what are those called? The gold ones?
Oh, yeah, the gold ones.
Buttery golds. You could probably do it with those. Anything that has a thin skin on it. I don't like cabbage.
It's a 16-inch fan. You don't mount it up.
We're in a temperature switch relay.
You keep wiping the Jeep. Guys, you're sweating on everything. The whole floor over here. I can't step back and
Okay, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything. Look at that.
That one was small, babe.
That's what she said.
I think I'm gonna do them like that. Yeah, kind of. Maybe a tad bit smaller. More like. More like that. That way, they don't literally disintegrate in the water and make soup. Oh, I've done that, guys. I'm not even kidding. I cut them too small. I went to go make my mashed potatoes, and they were soupy. I couldn't even get chunks of potato out of it. I had to make a soup out of it. Let's see. That's all. Done. It's about like, yeah, just literally just above it. Actually, you put a little too much because it has to be just above it.
Just above the potatoes, right?
Yeah, just above like the potatoes, you know. You can still fill them. Or else, if you overboil them, it's going to add too much water to it. And then you're going to have mush. And not mashed potatoes. Mush. Like, I don't know, grits. Then I put a little bit of salt. Just a tiny bit.
What's the salt for?
For one, I put it in because it helps flavor the potatoes. Now, I know there's something behind it if you put a little bit of salt in it. I think it helps the boil or whatever. I personally put it in, even in pasta, for the flavor. It cooks with the flavor and then you don't have to salt your food as much. That's what I do. Why is it doing that? Is it wet?
Probably wet.
Okay. I'm going to turn that down to 6.
Look at them potatoes. They're steaming.
They are. That's the reason why we're going to put all the ingredients in. Butter. It's already melting.
Why are you cutting up the cream cheese, babe?
Well, so you can mash it up better. It's evenly distributed. You don't have to do this in other things, but when you're putting it in potatoes, yeah, I would recommend it. No, get over there. There you go. Oh, it's melting. I gotta get everything in there. Start mashing. About 2 teaspoons? I think so. Okay. I'm gonna mash now. It's gonna be hard.
Want me to mash a little?
I can do it.
Okay.
I got strong arms. I'm not like, you know, a girly girl. Kinda, but not like that. Everybody gonna say, why not use an electric one? Well, because there's red skin in it. See? There's red skin potato. And it'll clog up your thing. So you just do it like this. Sounds gross.
It looks really creamy though.
And then you do this. Get all this stuff off. So this is why you don't do a blender. Look at that. See? And that's why you don't do a blender. That'll be all up in there. That's all I'm going to get out of there. And I'm just going to whip it.
Whip it good. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, that smells good.
That's so bad.
You want me to do it? Let me whip it a little bit. I'll whip it.
No, I'm good. That's how the olden day women did it there, isn't it? I so need my own bread.
And she's got a KitchenAid right back there, guys.
I use it sometimes. Okay. I think this is good, y'all. This is yummy.
Oh, that looks really good. It smells even better.
It smells really yummy.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all know I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna eat it myself. No, I'm kidding. It's really yummy. I can eat that whole pan, and I don't like to be eating a lot of things that are starches and carbohydrates.
Well, Brandon is going to come out here.
I'm sorry, it's the cream cheese, y'all. It just does it. It just does it.
Brandon's going to come out here and eat all of it.
Okay. I'm good.
Oh, I was eating off that right there. Yeah, that was good.
Oh, this is Thanksgiving worthy, y'all. This is like invite your family over and serve this.
No.
They won't even put gravy on it. Guarantee it.
Don't invite your family.
Why?
More for you.
Well, whatever you guys want to do, but I'm saying, yummy.
It is good.
I don't know why I'm scraping everything out of here.
I'll clean the bowl.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see.
Y'all stay tuned.
Oh. That's it?
He's looking for food.
Well, it's not ready yet. It's about to be. Just myself again. Okay, I didn't get it done. Let's see. Where my butt is. I think it is right here. Yeah, I think it's right there.
Mm-hmm. It's all on the booty.
That's the hang off of it. If it goes up the middle of your back, it
slides down.
It slides down. If it's hanging on your booty, and it's fine. Oh, because you won't be able to afford anything by eating out all the time. That's the reason why me and Dad don't. That is your son. He is such a brat. Brat.
Want me to mash a little?
I can do it.
Okay.
I got strong arms. I'm not like, a girly girl. Kinda.